Guys, I have another Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you. This is episode 34. If you missed episodes 1 through 33, I will put the playlist down below and you can watch all of those. So my intention was to do a little bit of decorating and cleaning and deep cleaning the kitchen cabinets. Yeah, that kind of didn't happen. You'll see what happens here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife. I just want to mention that on the 28th of September, I am hosting a fall front porch clean and decorate with me collab. So if you want to join in, just let me know. Anyone is welcome to join in. I am continuing to do Self-Care September, in case you didn't know, but I have been showing my what I'm eating on Instagram and on my community page if you want to see that, and leaving kind of sort of a recipe. They're not really recipes, I just throw some things together. Anyway, son was not feeling well. He's kind of been sick the last couple of days, so he wanted some chicken salad, which I had made the other day. And so I'm just putting that together. I am cooking some chicken tenderloins, and I'm adding red onion, celery, grapes, salt and pepper. What else do I think that's all? And then, of course, the chicken and mayonnaise. I don't have any measurements. I just put in the amount I think I want in. And it's good to go, and it is very yummy. And either you can eat it in a bowl, or you can have it on a lettuce wedge of like romaine lettuce. That's what I have been doing. And for fall, if you wanted to add some apples and some pecans, that would taste good too. I wasn't sure that son would like that, so I didn't add it this time. Maybe I'll add it for myself though on the side. Just letting the chicken cool off before I chopped it up and put it in the salad, and it was pretty yummy. But I'm going to eat that later for lunch. For right now, I'm going to make a protein smoothie, and I'm going to use the Soylent, that meal replacement thing that I am doing and son is doing, although he's sick, so he's not doing it right now. But I'm just going to add also some almond milk for some added extra protein, and I'm adding some frozen fruit and frozen banana, because you're going to want to do that because that makes it sweet. So it actually is pretty thick here, and I end up eating it with a spoon. I put part of it back in the refrigerator because it was quite a lot. So here is the little bowl of chicken salad that I made for son. Don't forget, this is a collab put together by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click on the playlist and watch everybody else's video to get some cleaning, decorating, decluttering motivation. It is time to put on some music so I can get motivated. Today I am listening to some Alanis Morissette, and I'm just doing a little snapping because mostly I'm going to show you what I have been decorating. I'm going to do a little decorating, so I just wanted to show you the little bits of that. And I had intended to deep clean the cabinets in the kitchen, but as I started cleaning, I was feeling super tired, so that didn't happen. Anyway, so I need to finish this wall unit. I started replacing the backing on it with some of this wallpaper that I really like. It is sage green that matches the wall, the accent wall in the back. I don't end up doing that in this video. I was intending to, but yeah, the bottom kind of fell out. So I'm just going around and just doing a little bit of straightening up, a little bit of cleaning, and then a little bit of fall. I already had all of this here already, but I picked up the fall sign from Dollar General, and the 2 apples there were over on the sofa table, so I moved them over here. Kind of have a little apple theme here. Why doesn't anybody decorate with apples for the fall? To me, fall is apples. In September, because I was a preschool teacher and we always decorated the classroom with apple theme in the fall. And then October to me is pumpkins. So I'm just moving some things around here so I can put out my little bits of fall. Whatever I have in the house, I have not broken out into the garage and got anything out of the bins in the garage. I'm going to see what I can make do with what I have in the house and then go from there. That was a little teapot that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. Recently, I went to Ross and picked up these 2 candles. Yeah, I know. I'm not supposed to be buying candles because I got rid of most of my candles. And then I have a few little things here that I got from the Dollar General that I use to decorate my coffee station here. That still is a work in progress. So I did buy a few tiny little new things. Yeah, the kitchen desk doesn't get cleaned up, but the kitchen needs a little zhuzhing and cleaning. So hubby did unload the dishwasher for me, so I'm going to finish the rest. And as I was cleaning the kitchen, yeah, I noticed this panel was loose and it ended up coming off as I was trying to fix it. So that is going to be, and what the heck is all this sawdust in here? Anyway, that is going to be on hubby's fix it honey-do list. So I'll let him know because he still hasn't fixed the one in the master bathroom. So yeah, and yeah, some medicine here for son because he's been sick. And as I'm cleaning, I'm wondering if I'm getting sick too. I start to feel really tired here. So move the placemats that I took out of the drinking station the other week, and yeah, they just keep moving around. I haven't found a home for them yet, but I am going to take a few things that I have out in the hutch of fall decor, and some of it's Thanksgiving decor, but I'm just going to take it all out because I like the little pumpkins that say gather, even though that's kind of Thanksgiving. It's all coming out now. I don't have time to do fall, then Halloween, then Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm going to take it all out. So, but I'm just taking out what I have in the house, and I will probably next week go in the garage and see what else I want to use, and whatever I don't use, eventually get rid of it. I want to just use what I can store in the house. Just little tiny things for decorating. I did do my dining room decor in another video. I will link that down below too. I'm seeing if there's any fall decor in this sideboard here, but there's not. And you can see there's a lot of empty spaces. I plan on putting some more decor in here from the garage that I use. That, I guess that's really spring, but I don't have a lot of spring. And there's a little bit of Christmas in there. And then in the Christmas things are over here in this cabinet. Hubby cleared all his things out of this cabinet. He had all his hobby stuff in there. He moved it into his downstairs office, which is now his craft room. I also store some linens, some seasonal linens in the closet. And I have 2 pillow covers that I'm going to use for the couch that I have not taken out yet. The other pillow covers, I changed those out the other day. I'm on the fence whether or not I like the mustard colored checkered big pillows. Actually, they're not covers, they're pillows. I actually bought those. And I was going to change out this to the leaf pattern, but I think it kind of clashes with the checkered pillow. So I decided not to do that. Picture frame has been empty forever, so let's put a picture in there finally. I thought I had printed one out and then it didn't fit. It was too big. So I'm going to leave this Thanksgiving picture in there and just overlay it with a Christmas picture the next time, and so on and so on. And then I don't have to put it away and figure out where that picture is to put it back in there. Anyway, so I change out the lavender flowers for the spring and the summer for some fall like potpourri with the pumpkins and stuff. And my intention was to also declutter this wall unit here. I intend to buy some decorative boxes to put in there so I can store the decor that I'm not currently using. Or, I want to put the spring decor in there that's used for the wall unit, the fall and the Christmas stuff that I use specifically for that wall unit. Although I do change it up every once in a while. So, anyway, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do all that, but I have that decluttering project in mind. And there's some, a VHS, no. CD player, I don't know, something, DVD player, that's what it is in there that's broken, and that needs to go in the trash. I'm pretty sure it's broken. So I'm just adding little bits of fall here and there in the wall unit. I no longer want to change out all of my decor. I used to take all of this stuff down and put it in bins and put it in the garage and take all the fall, the Christmas stuff out and put all that out and put all my regular decor away. No, I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to add little bits, keep what I currently have and just add to it like I did here with this little cute little tic-tac-toe game. The kids like to play that when they come over. I am going to change out the flowers. That's just something little, and I will store that in here. And I totally forgot about this pumpkin. Or is it an apple? Anyway, I had put it away for a little while, so I'll pull that back out. And I forgot I had these things too, so I'll think what I want to do with those, whether I want to keep them or donate them. Not today, though. I'm getting my water and I'm sitting on the couch and resting because, again, I'm starting to not feel good and my throat kind of hurts a little bit. I don't know if that's lack of water or if I am getting sun's cold. So we'll just see what happens. Again, I intended to clean the cabinets. I did get the family room straightened up and the kitchen straightened up and a little bit of fall decor put out. So there's that. I might go in the pool later and do a few gentle laps. Whether I have energy or not, we'll see. Yeah, I'm starting to feel really tired here. Don't know what's going on. Crossing my fingers, I don't have sun's cold. Oops, and I almost forgot to change out my decorative towels. Yes, I said decorative towels. Nobody is allowed to wipe their hands on these. They're for decoration. Why not? Because it's fun. Because it's small and it's easy to store that, and it doesn't take up much room, but it brings a little fall to color. And I also have some Christmas ones and some spring ones, and that's just a little fun thing to do. I store my seasonal towels down here underneath this cabinet where the drawer is, where I keep my regular towels, hand towels and stuff like that. I used to store them with my seasonal decor in the garage. I no longer do that. I like to have them here. I'm just getting my massager here and going to take a rest. That's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to watch the playlist. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.